Hello, Early World History class, and welcome to Mrs. Moses Canvas course. In this video, we're going to talk about module number 1 and the focus on what you need to complete in order for you to get credit. First thing we're going to focus in on is a contact info survey. It does say quiz, but if you take a look, there is no time limit and there is no due date. So even if you didn't do this last week, you still have the chance to do it now. You are going to click on Take the Quiz, and it's going to ask you 5 questions. You're going to go and read the question, what is your address? Click on the text box, type in what your address is, and then move on to question number 2. What is your zip code? What is your parents' or guardian's name and phone number? Question number 4, what is the best way to communicate with you? Click the one that you agree with. And then question number 5, please provide the number and or email address that is best to reach you at. Click on the text box, add in your information. When you are finished, you're going to click Submit Quiz. Make sure you do that before you exit out of this page. Once you're finished and it says that you've submitted your quiz, you can go back to home. And the second part of this module is just getting help from Miss O'Neill, that's me. If you need any extra assistance in your work, just give me a text or a call. You can email me or you can find me on Facebook. That is your week 1 module. If you have any questions, let us know.